Yeah, today is the 25th of February, so we are having a MicroProfile technical conversation. Please help out with the minutes. Share my screen. Yeah, please add your name to the minutes. So it's first line business. The good news, like for the Jakarta E10 core profile TCK artifacts are in Maven Central, so ready to be tested. So John, I think is I don't know whether Roberto got a chance to try it out.
I'll let him know. I'll pick him right now.
Let him know it's ready to be tested. And then basically let me jump to this one. So the MicroProfile 7 compatible pages. So once you can run the Jakarta E10 core profile, that will be good for the runtime that support MicroProfile 7 get listed here. I don't know whether anybody have any runtime is Helidon add. Does Helidon support MicroProfile 7?
Not yet. We're still.
Not yet.
I think we have confirmed that the test passed, but we haven't updated our version support.
Okay, so that would be great if you basically support that. I know Piara, Luis, I think you Piara support MicroProfile 7, right, Luis? Luis, you are on mute if you are talking.
Looks like he says we're working on it, but I can say Wildfly.
Oh yeah, Wildfly, yes. So Wildfly, Brian, so it's the Wildfly. So you basically have you read the CCR yet?
This isn't Brian, it's James, but
James,
really
sorry.
Yeah, no, it's totally fine. Yes, we did. I'm pretty sure we did submit a CCR.
Okay.
So I think
basically
we're waiting to be listed, basically.
Yeah, you follow the process. John know the process. Also, the process is on here as well.
Okay.
So compatible. So how to get it listed? So basically, do the CCR and then just read the issue.
Okay. I'll make sure we've done all that then.
Yeah, and then read the issue, and then they will get listed, and also the marketing team will basically do the social pushing as well. So
okay.
Yeah,
I'll double check that then. And just as a quick, not to go back too far, but with the Jakarta E10 core profile TCK, I did test that against Wildfly as well, and everything seemed to work fine.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, James. So Roberto is on the call. Roberto, so the Jakarta E10 core profile TCK artifacts, the JARs are in Maven Central. So you can go ahead to test with the Quarkus. Roberto, anyway, probably.
Yeah, I'm working on that during this week.
Yeah. So Roberto is maybe for Quarkus. Do you support MicroProfile 7?
Yes, there are a couple of tests that we haven't implemented yet, which is the OpenTelemetry support in fault tolerance, but everything else it's fine.
Yeah, if you get the pass TCK and have a CCR list created, and then also get a Quarkus listed, so that would be good.
No, sure. I mean, that's the plan.
Yeah, excellent. Thank you, Roberto. Luis, you are on mute. I think the Piara reads the CCR, right, Luis? Okay, so Luis' microphone is not working. So, so does the Piara support MicroProfile 7?
He wrote it on the chat that they are not supporting 7 yet.
Oh, okay. No
They are
supporting.
still fixing according to TCK tests.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. So it's hopefully it's kind of the quack and wildfly can be listed sooner, and then halid and para can be listed, shortly after or in due course.
So presumably they all should be listed once they file a CCR, right?
Yeah, once the CCR approved. So here is the process. Follow the MicroProfile TCK profile this one. After the certification issue accepted, raise the marketing to get it listed, and also marketing team also push basically do a social media announcement as well. Yeah, so that's a same to the Jakarta kind of compatible process. Okay, thank you. That's it for this. The next one is kind of the voting thread on the kind of the for the repo names for the launching 4J dash MicroProfile dash Jakarta or launching 4J dash Jakarta dash MicroProfile here in the link. So basically, yeah, is please vote as soon as possible. So that's the kind of
One question to that. I couldn't join the meeting because of Zoom didn't let me in. There were authentication issues. Why Jakarta is mentioned in that repo where that is an implementation that is requiring MicroProfile?
So one thing is kind of one is about CDI is there. The other thing is basically it's the community want to basically trying to say this covered both Jakarta and the MicroProfile.
Yeah, but you cannot use the MicroProfile parts as in Jakarta implementation. You need to have a MicroProfile implementation to use config or something like that.
So someone said actually you don't have to use a config. You could just have used a CDI.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the kind of and then we said, okay, then mention both.
Okay.
To make our two community happy. And then we, join force. And then I also got the Eclipse Foundation approval to use the names.
Oh, that's good news.
Yeah.
Thanks.
No problem. Okay. I will basically bump the thread conversation, and also, since you are here, and I will also make sure to put in the MicroProfile dash working group that mailing list as well. It's for and then I will do that either after this call or tomorrow morning first thing, so that you can cast your opinion as well. I forgot you are not in the working group meetings. No, in the Google group meeting.
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you. So the next line business about 7.1 release. Plan review ballot currently is on 3 ballot is a telemetry open API and MicroProfile 7.1. So this is a minor release. Says please vote ASAP. I think the ballot finished either on Thursday, if I remember correctly. Is that correct, John? Or is one is anyway this week? So please vote ASAP.
Yes, this week, sorry. I was trying to
This
find the
week,
mute.
right?
Correct.
Yeah.
I think it's Thursday.
Yeah, I think that's I thought it's Thursday as well. Yeah. You have a couple days, and I think Ed and Roberto and myself we have voted, but the rest of you should vote ASAP. Okay, That's kind of for the MicroProfile 7.1. And then kind of the Turan is addressing some kind of review comments on the MicroProfile tutorial. So I went through the kind of PR again for the, let me see, for the MicroProfile telemetry. So he addressed most of my concerns. I just have one more kind of comments, and that should be it. And then he has more kind of the work on the telemetry. The telemetry got a lot of feedback, so he will need to address. And then, so for tolerance, he addressed it, and also for the source code. So I just asked him to provide some instructions. That's all. So it's basically, this is still outstanding PRs. If you have time, please take a review. And also there's the kind of finished chapters. I encourage you all to take a look at these finished chapters. If you have any concerns and etc., please raise the issue so that you can get them addressed. So I think, I suspect we should finish this tutorial at least hopefully by 1Q, because this has been dragging along for a long time. Yes, so that's all. Any comments or concerns? Let me put a link here, so when people check the PRs, you can see. Review PRs and the current main branch. Is issues, if any, is incorrect. Okay. That's all kind of the thing yeah, I would like to cover. Are there anything else people want to bring up?
Yeah, I would
Yeah, go ahead,
like
Yan.
to ask a question. What happened with the collaboration from Jakarta and MicroProfile on the CN4J mailing list? Does anybody know why Jakarta does not want to discuss things that's affecting both working groups on that list anymore?
I think Tanya provided kind of the email feedback and etc. So basically,
yeah, she suppressed any discussion, and I'm really upset about that. Yeah, because in the past we discussed the topics affecting both working groups and umbrella specs there, and discuss technical stuff, marketing stuff, and organizational stuff there, especially. And what happened? Why does anybody know why Jakarta does not want to collaborate on that channel anymore? Because from my perspective, as we mentioned a few weeks ago, when the Jakarta config discussion started, we suggested, or basically John suggested in the platform call to have that discussion there. Especially the organizational things that need to be solved. And we discussed it, I think 2 weeks ago in this meeting, to have that discussion there. Then I started it there and got blocked by Tanya. And yeah, then I need to ask Tanya why she wants to not to do that. I don't want to suppress any discussion on other channels and mailing lists, but now we have a few threads in parallel discussing that. And as Roberto said, I have the same fear. It's not the best way to discuss this on a mailing list only, and on different threads, it's get problematic.
Yeah. Anybody else have any more kind of insight for this?
Yeah, I mean, Jan, I totally agree with what you said. I mean, I'm gonna tell you something, which is for me was worrying. So I was trying to reconstruct all the history about what we discussed on configuration, either on MicroProfile config, either in Jakarta, either on CNN4J group. And while I still have the link for the meeting notes of the CN4J Google Drive document, if you remember that presentation that we have, that joint presentation that was built, that was deleted from Google Drive. So
Really?
if you try to follow the link on the meeting notes, it just says that the presentation was deleted.
Now that might have been that may have been me. I don't know if I got caught up in the spring cleaning kind of a thing.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm just saying. I mean, maybe it
So
was
I'm
an
digging
accident,
around.
right?
Yeah.
But I mean, I'm not trying to start here any kind of well, you know what I mean. But
Yeah.
I was just find interesting because I knew that we have those discussions there, and I think that we even have a couple of slides where we have some decisions and discussions. And then yeah, if I try to, if you go to the meeting notes and try to go on the slides, well, it just says it's deleted, so you cannot access that information anymore.
Yeah, we should try to get them back if that is possible. That would help. And I think I need to ask Tanya why she, from the Eclipse Foundation perspective, thinks that discussions like we have at the moment should not take place on that location. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very curious to see what the answer is myself.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Please report back after you follow up with Tanya. So that's okay. Thank you, Ian.
Okay, thanks.
Yep, great. Are there anything else people want to bring up? If not, guess what? You have nearly 40 minutes back. Okay, great. Remember to vote.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
To vote.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I will basically bump up that Team4J vote after this call. Okay, then. Thank you all. Great.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.